I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to tell you about a YouTube dolly secret. Pat Doodle, that's the channel name, has a sale from time to time, usually on a Saturday. She may have one every Saturday for all I know. I have been to several. This is the first time I bought because I'm trying to be good. Couldn't help myself. She buys stuff thrifted, and I don't know, she does doll shows and all kinds of stuff. And then every now and again, on a Saturday morning, she has a bunch of items and they have a number on them. And she tells you about it, shows the item, and then she has a price, and you write it's live, and in the feed, you put the number, and the first one to put the number of the item wins the bid. And then she gets with you on your information, you pay her PayPal, and it arrives shortly. So wait till you see what I bought. I wasn't going to, and then I saw her on Pat's channel. And actually, funny thing, I was flipping through, you know how you look through the upcoming videos, and I was kind of in a hurry, and I saw Pat had one of those sales. So I thought, oh, I really need to go. I haven't gone in a long time, and it's just fun. But right behind her, I saw this doll, and I told Darren, and it wasn't coming on for like, you know, it was alive, and it wasn't coming on for about an hour, so I said, I gotta go, because I think I'm gonna buy a doll. And as it turned out, I bought a doll. She has a little thank you on here. All right, let me see how if I can pull her out or cut her. Well, I better cut her. This is such a nice wrapping. I hate to spoil it, but I want her out anyway. I love Jean dolls. Love, love, love Jean dolls. And I had bid on a couple raven-haired beauties on eBay. And I got bid out, and I got bid out, and I was starting to bid higher, and I stopped and asked myself, what are you doing with that doll? Why do you keep bidding higher and higher? I'll make sure that isn't anything. No shoes. I was aware of that. Oh, wait, no. Look at this. She has shoes. Anyway, so I went to Pat's live, and she named her price, and I put that number in quick as a wink. Look at this raven-haired beauty. Thank you, Pat. Oh, she's so sexy and so beautiful and so classy. I'm not going to well, yeah, I will. Let's just slide them on. You want to see it? I want to see it. They're cute, 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 cute. Let me get the safety pin. She had all kinds of things, from little LOLs to pretty big stuff. She also had stuffed animals, action figures. I think she had some Transformers, all kinds of stuff. Go watch for Pat Doodle. Go to her channel and get you know, hit the little bell, and maybe YouTube will let you know when she has one. But keep an eye; it's worth going. Oh gosh, she's so beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at the back. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, look at that hair. And she has both earrings, pearl earrings. She's just absolutely gorgeous. I love her. She's going in my collection. I'm going to have to find a spot for all of my Jean dolls and find my Jean dolls that I previously owned. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.